There was a stop sign, which, look at this. Clearly I'm not the only one. I don't even think this should be legal. Ah! Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a great day. If the quality is not as good as the OEM one, you'll have to replace the part in a couple of years. So these are gonna be the two basically tie rods that we're gonna replace. These are the two things that I think we may need. So hopefully it works. I got this one from Advance. Clips to secure once we put the new ones. And if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing, as I'm planning of doing a lot of videos bringing this car back to